Let's live fire barbecue some delicious beef kebabs right in the backyard. What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And guys, I'm using the Rome V2 grill by Black Earth Grills. And it's just a little camping stove that's super wicked for barbecue, super portable. You can do live fire cooking in it. And I thought, gosh, some delicious steak skewers would be fantastic. I'm using Fancy Cow. It's by Earl's Signature Sauces. Well, it's actually their signature blend because they now do dry rubs. And I thought to myself, I gotta get some of that steak dry rub in my life. Holy cow, this was absolutely diabolical. As you can see, I'm just getting that seasoning all over these steak cubes. I've got them on these little skewers, basically ready to go out on the grill. This isn't all that complicated. It's just important that you get some seasoning on there. Do your best to season every single side. To be completely honest here, it looks like I missed a few sides, but it's not the end of the world, guys. It's just about cooking good food and enjoying it. So, as you can see here, the Rome V2, this little live fire grill has a little coal bed in it. I burned down some wood, like kindling pieces. Now, I'm using little pieces of oak that I'm splitting off larger chunks with an axe. And guys, this was delicious. Like that smoky flavor from the oak wood right on that coal bed. Just cooking this like nice and slow. You can see there we got some flames kicking up, but I'm just making sure to rotate these kebabs once they release. And that's really important here. You need to be patient when you're barbecuing like this. If you're grilling off some kebabs, you don't want to be like pulling them away. It's really important that you allow the meat to release on its own. Otherwise, you might end up like tearing it. And it's not what you're looking for. Now, I'm grilling these up until about 135 internal, looking for a medium rare bite. And I'm also going to glaze them in just a little bit of barbecue sauce because, guys, barbecue sauce is delicious on steak. I really enjoy it. You know, steaks are fantastic, and if you cook it correctly, you do not need sauce at all. But a little barbecue sauce on a steak kebab, I mean, that hits home. And this live fire grill is definitely adding that live fire char and smoky flavor. Guys, I'm pumped. This little grill has been an absolute blast. If you pay close attention to my channel, you've seen probably a couple recipes on it right now. I've done live fire hot dogs, salsa. I haven't even shown you yet, but I've done corn on it. Like, I'm just having a blast, guys. And check this out. Apple Molasses BBQ Sauce by Earl Signature Sauces. And guys, this is going to pair perfectly onto this piece of steak. Oh, buddy, these steak kebabs are just going to be scrumptious. Pouring a little bit out, just letting it kind of coat over top. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to go in with a brush, and I'm just going to fully coat that and let that cook down as well. And there you have it, guys. Simple and delicious. Live fire grilled so you get that fantastic smoky flavor and char. You guys know what to do. Hit that button, like and subscribe. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. Just having a good time in the backyard. Thanks again for watching. Take care, stay safe, and catch you on the next recipe.